loves, welcome back to Craft for Life, and today in this tutorial I will be showing you how to make a super cute emoji bracelet. So I'll start off with the supplies. So let's go. So first you will need some scissors. I recommend small ones. You will need a hole puncher. I didn't have a round one, so I just using a flower. Some Sharpies, all different colors. You will need some shrinky dinks. Never mind. You will need some, don't ignore that part. You will need some clasps and some jump rings. Some pliers. You will need to have your mobile device to be able to print out some emojis. And lastly, you will need some shrinky dinks or shrinky films. I didn't have shrinky dinks, so I'm going to use shrinky films. And make sure it's clear. So let's get started. To start off our bracelet, what we need to do is we're going to take the clear shrinky dinks with the emoji, the printed emojis pictures on the bottom, and make sure the shrinky dinks is on top. And so then you're gonna take, at that point, you're gonna take all of your Sharpies. Clip. Oh, I got some emojis in here. Clip. Yeah, you will need to clip them together to stay them still. Whoa, I have a lot of Sharpies. So then what you need to do is just gonna take a yellow, since emojis are yellow. Circle with that. And you're gonna circle, and you're gonna take your color, and you're just gonna trace right over your emojis like you're coloring in the emojis, but you're just gonna like trace it. So go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you when I'm done. Once you have your some of the emojis that you think would fit your wrist, I only use 6 because I have a tiny wrist. So basically, if you are about the size of my wrist, you would want to do 6 or 7 if you want to add a poop emoji. But I'm not going to add one. So now you could just take them apart and see how they look. And you could you could reuse these if you like the emojis. So once you have yours nice and colored in like that, you are going to take your scissors, your small scissors, and then you're going to just start cutting them out, and then I'll tell you what the next step is. So I'll see you when you're done. Once you have your emojis drawn and cut out, we are almost done. Yay! If your emojis look like mine, but not the same emoji, or if you're doing the same one, yay, you've done it right so far. So now, for the next step until baking, you're going to take an emoji, and you're going to take your hole puncher, and then you're going to start punching the hole. One on each side. Yes, one on each side. So there's one. There's 2. So you want all your emojis to have holes punched on each side, and I'll see you when you're ready. So once you have your emojis all punched and ready to go baking and shrinking, what you want to do is we're gonna go and get the oven or toaster preheated. Bake accordingly to the design. I'm in figure. your shrinky dinks and your emoji has turned out like this, what you're going to do is you're just going to start connecting your emojis. So what I mean by that is you're going to find a jump ring that has open ends, if you could see it.
Mm-hmm.
And you're just going to start opening them.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to take your emojis and you're going to put it through the hole. And don't close it yet. You need to add something. And then you're going to put this guy on, facing the same way. And you're going to be careful. And then you're just going to close it like so. And continue this until you have your bracelet done. And I'll see you when you're done. So once you have put all of your emojis on your jump rings, I ended up adding one because my wrist was a little bit too big for 6. So what I did was I just added a few more jump rings to the end. And then about the clasp, if you have a little hole like mine, you're just gonna open up the jump ring. You're gonna open up a jump ring that you ended up with the last one. And then you're just gonna put that one through like a normal emoji, but it's just a clasp. And then you're gonna tie those two together, and then you have your bracelet. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun DIYs like this one. And go check out my squishy series, which is all about fruits and vegetables. So go check that out. So see you in my next video.